Reaching 50 years, being together in marriage is like malayo ang narating.
Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hagan at yakapin. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko. Pagdating ng araw,
Happy 50th wedding anniversary. Thank you ngan kareng gawayo ka ako kandang malati mo ay balo nun di ba ma OFW la going ako bigay umenalaga ka ako.
Paraan natin ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
Please enjoy life because life is too short. And I just wish that you both see me graduate again. Stay healthy. Ayun. Thank you. Sana kita palagi may pong-wishing good health, safety you always. We just want to thank you for the unconditional love and support, guidance for all of our siblings, and especially unconditional love for your apos. We love you. More patience to each other, more love to each other, and know po na kaming siblings, we are all ready to embrace you whatever happens.
Pasalamat kami po kasi tinggap yung kami po kayong pamilyayo and maging part kami po ng pamilyayo and kaning anniversary.
Panalangin mo at wish me kayo good health at siyempre mas marakal pang blessing. Salamat. Best wishes and congratulations.
How I wish is you stay in good health and be blessed. Alam naman ng lahat na you are successful with your 5 beautiful children together with their better half.
Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo